If your subject has ever started a business, they very likely put a real address on a government form, and that filing is public. Every state maintains a corporation's division where entity records are searchable, and those filings carry more personal information than people realize. The registered agent must have a physical street address in the state, no post office boxes, and for a small business, the owner very often serves as their own agent using their home. Officer and member listings name individuals and frequently give addresses. Annual reports repeat the exercise every year, which gives you a dated sequence showing when an address changed. Beyond the state level, fictitious business name filings are usually recorded at the county with an owner address, professional and contractor licenses tied to entities, and uniform commercial code filings name debtors and addresses. For anyone chasing a business owner who has gone quiet, this is often the fastest route to a residence. Our research team runs these 50 state searches routinely. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.